History hikers here. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
Today it's the prehistory hikers. We're still in the south of France and we're near the largest dolmen in the southern region of France.
Yeah, we're near the Dolmen De Fada, which is local language for Dolmen of the Fairies, or the Fae. It was constructed around 3500 BC, so that makes it over 5000 years old. It's made out of sandstone, local sandstone, although one of the biggest slabs of sandstone had to be carried for more than 2 kilometers, which weighs over a ton. And the people who made it were called the people of the Vereta culture.
Vereta?
Vereta.
Vereta.
Vereta. I'm sorry.
Vereta. Let's go and look at these stones in one continuous take. A dolmen is a type of single-chamber megalithic tomb. Experts have widely agreed that they are tombs, despite no waterproof evidence, because human remains are often found in or close to these dolmens. Whether these remains date from the making of the dolmen or after is often not clear.
The culture of Verata or Verasien is the name of a material culture specific to a prehistoric settlement group that lived in Catalonia and the south of France between 3500 and 2000 BC. This is a transitional period from the Neolithic, or the Stone Age, to the Chalcolithic, which is when humans started using copper but hadn't invented bronze yet. This culture is most known for the building of megalithic monuments in the region, such as the Dolmen De Fada, located in the town of Pépieux. The monument is 24 meters long and sits in a tumulus some 35 meters long.
So we're 2 meters tall, because I can stand under it. And so can pretty cool.
Quite impressive.
Yep. Bigger than the ones we have in Belgium, or the ones we visited. We're the prehistory hikers. These are the Dolmen De Fada. Like, comment, subscribe.
Are you doing the YouTube stuff?
The YouTube stuff. Leave a comment if you liked it. And like if you want to comment. Goodbye. Prehistory hikers back on the case. Little ways away from the Dolmen De Fada is the Allée couverte,
The Saint-Eugène.
the Saint-Eugène, which is another Neolithic structure. Not much is known of it.
Well, Neolithic, I don't know if that's quite right. It is somewhere between the Chalcolithic age and the start of the Bronze Age. So it's a little bit younger than the last one. Last one was 3500 years ago. This one's more situated 3000 or 2700 years. No, not years ago. Before Christ. I'm sorry. So 3000 years before Christ. So over 5000 years ago.
The other was also over 5,000 years.
Yeah, but it was like a little
More-
older. Like
More 5,000.
Yeah.
All right, let's check it out. A gallery grave, or allée couverte in French, is a particular type of dolmen. The main gallery of the tomb is entered without first passing through an antechamber or hallway. This makes the Dolmen De Fada also a gallery grave. Beautiful forest. Looks like there's a thing in the middle. This is the middle thing. People are buried.
Yeah, I think in English you call this kind of structure an alley grave.
Alley grave.
So it was supposed to be covered.
Impressive. All done by hand. By our forefathers.
Well, I don't know if it's necessarily our forefathers,
By
because
forefathers.
we're not from the south of France.
We were the prehistory hikers. These were the Dolmen De Fada in the Allée couverte de Saint-Eugène.
Pretty nice.
Signing off. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff.
If you want to.